Yeah, I know.
Push and pay that.
We have to wait for that train. And when he stop, we can go.
Station called Jaffa.
Going too fast. You know he's different.
This is also stop.
Du kan bare stå i bagenden, så du kører hjem.
Please stand clear of doors.
Så kører du bare den anden vej. Så forsvinder det sporet fra dig.
Ja.
Nu kører vi mod det. Jeg kan godt forestille mig, at det her kørte den anden vej.
Ja, det er der rent her.
Det kan man godt.
Ja.
Jeg så nemlig stå en masse folk inde i det andet.
المحطة القادمة هي
Gold building okay. Nima gold
the
building
next
right.
station is Al Jafaliya.
Jeg får lyst til at bide.
Rashidi. Last one.
So fast. And so safe. No bad.
We've been down there, right?
Yeah. That's
We were
it.
driving to a great restaurant. And then we drive it this way. And then
These stations are funny,
they caught us. This is broken.
Papa training है ना बोलो. Stop. Stop.
Look at this water here.
अच्छी बोलो.
Front of the hotel. Isn't that beautiful?
Maybe I can swim in this.
You want to
It's like
swim?
it's like my swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm nearly floating down here.
It was so